Arctic Day?
When we began this process in our DLT, we had a parent member. And our goal is that every BLT will eventually also have a parent member on the team. And Brimfield was the first elementary, or the first school in our district to have a parent member. Our parent member is also our PTA president. So what we have been able to do is collaborate with our parents, our PTA, to use that time that we're looking for professional development and plan school-wide activities where the parents are coming in, providing support to the teachers so that the teachers can use time for professional development. So our BLT, in cooperation with our Parents Club, planned this Arctic Day at Brimfield. The morning activities were teachers that were highlighting research-based strategies focusing on an Arctic theme. So some classrooms were comparing Arctic animals, some were comparing Arctic regions with other regions of the world, and so all of that learning was going on in the morning. And then our teacher, or in the afternoon, our parents implemented activities that the teachers had planned for them to do with their classrooms. So all of the parents came in the afternoon. This is a slide of parents in the classrooms doing these activities, while the teachers then met and received training on teacher-based teams. So our BLT and PTA were able to kind of plan this in a creative way to allow us time during our school day to do that. And then the second half of our TBT training took place on the afternoon of our next waiver day. So in the morning we did our book study, in the afternoon we did the second part of our TBT training. So everything that we're doing is cohesively, moving throughout the year, and I think that's why teachers are buying into it so much, is because they're finding it to be more meaningful than what we've done in the past.